In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Display. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Display Size and Text. And finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. Make sure to tap on external once you're done to adjust your font size too. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!